Hello, in this video we're going to learn the 6 questions. So I would suggest you write it down first and then practice this. So the first question is how to save an Excel file. Now I'm hoping everyone knows this, but if you don't know, you go to File and Save. If you want to make a copy of the file, you do Save As. And just remember, the extension has to be .xlsx. If we are doing macro, that will be later on, it has to be XLSM, but for now it has to be XLSX. And just click on Save, it will make a copy of the file. Second question, how to merge cells. So say for example you want to merge these 3 cells. So you select the 3 cells, go to Home on the top and click on Merge Cells, or click on this one and merge as you want to. So we will do Merge Cells. So now you see that this has become a single cell. If you want to remove the merge, just go back here and unmerge the cells. So this will unmerge the cells. Question number 3, how to put the currency symbol in front of all cells. So this is very important for later on. So say for example in this column you want to put the currency symbol. So what you do is you select the entire column or as many cells as you want, go to Home on the top, and this one here will let you know the currency you want. Now if you want more advanced currencies, you click on More Accounting Formats, go to Currency here and select whatever currency you want. So you can just scroll down and select the currency you want. This one's got nearly all the currencies. But for a quick currency, just click on this one and select the most commonly used ones. So if you want dollar, click on dollar and automatically you get this. Alright, to undo this, all you have to do is go back up here and click on undo. It'll go back. Next question, how to put the percentage symbol in front of all cells. So for example, if you have decimal places and if you want to convert that to percentage, select all the cells that you want to convert to percentage, go to Home on the top, and this thing here will convert the decimals to percentage. So all you have to do is click on this one and you see that 0.5 has become 50%, 0.83 has become 83%, and so on. To remove the percentage, just click on this again. If it doesn't do it, go up here, go up here and make it back to number. Okay, next one, how to use the sort function. So for example, the question is to sort this table, say by the second column. Then what you want to do is select the entire table, go to Home on the top and go to Sort and Filter and go to Custom Sort and make sure this is selected, that my data has headers. This means the first row is the header. It means it won't count that in your selection, but select it when you first do it. And then you say sort by, say category, because we want to do it by the second column. Click and do OK. Now this was already sorted, so nothing happened, but in general this is how you do it. Okay, next question is how do you freeze the top row and the first column? Now this is very important. So now the question is, when I scroll down, the first row needs to be frozen. So when I scroll down, the first row should not move. So in order to do that, you should go to view on the top and go to freeze panes. Click on freeze panes and say freeze the top row. Once I click on it, if I scroll down, you see that the first row has been frozen. Okay, if you undo this, then still the top row stays frozen. So to unfreeze this, you'll have to go back here and unfreeze the panes, and only then the first row will be set free. Similarly, if the question is when you scroll to the right and the first column needs to be frozen, you go here and you say freeze the first column. So now if you scroll to the right, you see that the first column has been frozen. And to release it, you'll have to go back here and unfreeze the panes. Okay, let's just write down one more thing here. Let's call it number 7. How to increase, decrease decimal places. Just add this question to the list. So now the question is increase the decimal places in this column. So you select this column, go to home, and these two buttons here will increase and decrease decimals. So if you do this one, it's increasing the decimal places. If you do this one, it's decreasing the decimal places. So this is very important. So make a note of all of this. And this is the basic beginning of Excel. I hope this helped.